friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Werner Werman from Cuphead. Seems to be very popular with the middle school crowd these days. Okay, so we're going to have is it a weasel here, and his can, and his little wooden skateboard thing. Okay, there, we got that laid out. Oh, and then he's got like a little lighter match thing for his cigar. All right, here we go. This looks like a fun one. All right, so to start with, we're going to make an oval kind of on the side like that. And then we're going to draw a little eyeball inside, leave a little bit white. Then we're going to draw a line around that like so. And then it's going to come down. And then we're going to draw another line coming up and back around. And then we're going to draw a line coming around on the inside, but we're going to stop there. And we're going to draw the big weaselly nose, which just kind of comes down. There's a circle at the end of it. And then it comes back up and matches up here and then comes back. And then we've got another eye right here. We'll leave a little light. All right, then we have another line here and a little line there. And we have a line here and here for the side of his face. Then he's got this very stylish little hat. So that's going to be a curvy line like that. And then we're going to draw a line up. They're kind of diagonal. And we're going to draw it around and around. And we're going to draw a thick curvy line here. Looks like a little bean. And a little pointy thing at the top. Okay, then he's got an ear flapping back here, like that. And then this comes down like so. And then we've got the strap of his hat right there. And then here's his cigar, which is just going to be some circles like that. And then it's going to connect back and it would run into this if we could see it. All right, then he's got these great big teeth like that. What are we missing? Oh, the other ear. And that's going to be like a C, just like that. Very nice work. All right, now we're going to draw the body. So it's going to come around like that with another line. And then we're going to draw the back of him, just like so. And then we're going to skip down just a little. And we're going to draw this line right here like that. And then we're going to draw some beans. There's one bean, two beans, and three beans. Oh, look, it's his hands. And then we're going to draw a little line like that for his cuff, and a little line right there for his other arm. Then over here, we're going to draw another bean, and then his other hand is just this. It's just something that's not hardly even there. And then we're going to draw another piece like that. And now his arms are crossed. Way to go. Now this is coming down and meeting up with his cuff. And then it's going to continue down here. And we've got another line here with a button and another line here for his tummy. And now we're ready to do the can that he's in. So for the can, we're gonna start up here and we're gonna come around just like that. Now we're gonna do it again. Just like that. Then we're gonna draw a line down, zigzag, and back out. I don't think I'm gonna have room for his skateboard. And then we have another line coming down and curving around. And then we have a line coming across, zigzag, and back around. And we have another line here. And we have a big circle here. Like that, and another circle inside that circle. Then we have, is this a character, I wonder? It's got like glasses on. Then that comes back. And I guess this line kind of comes more into that. All right, and then on his cigar here, let's add another thing. And then we have a zigzaggy. This is his like, where the match is lighting. So we have a little circle, a bigger circle, a stick. All right. And then we have, oh, I should have done this before. We have a line coming up. I'll have to erase that. And then we have the, where it bends. And then we have a little curvy line, another curvy line coming all the way up with a little bean. And then we have a line coming down. And then we have a few more little circles. And then a line coming across, a circle. And then this one connects to this, like that. And then we have the edge. I guess I needed to draw this in. And then this has an edge to it. All right. And then let's put some ground here. All right, I guess I didn't get Werner Werman's skateboard thing. All right. And then I guess, should we put some stars down here? Yeah. All right. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.